Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mercedes seat cover. First, gather your essential tools, including trim removal tools, a socket set, and a new seat cover. Safety is paramount, so disconnect your car's battery before starting any work. Next, carefully locate and remove the mounting bolts that secure the seat to the vehicle floor. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. With the seat out, begin by detaching any electrical connectors and wiring harnesses located underneath. These often power features like seat heaters or airbags. Next, carefully unclip or unscrew the various plastic trim pieces surrounding the seat base. Finally, you will need to release the hog rings or other fasteners that secure the old seat cover to the foam padding. Take your time to avoid damaging the foam. Now, it is time to install your new seat cover. Carefully position the new cover over the existing foam padding, ensuring it aligns correctly. Begin securing the new cover, typically using new hog rings or other appropriate fasteners, working from the center outwards to achieve a smooth, wrinkle-free finish. Once the cover is secure, reattach all the plastic trim pieces and reconnect any electrical connections you previously detached. For the final steps, carefully mount the seat back into your Mercedes, ensuring all mounting bolts are securely tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Once the seat is firmly in place, reconnect your car's battery. Then, thoroughly test all seat functions, including adjustments, heating, and any other features, to confirm everything works correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.